The French might say, there's nothing French about French toast. Others may wonder, what's a French toast without eggs? Today, we will be making not one, but 3 types of eggless French toast. Let's begin. For French toast batter, I am taking 1 cup of milk and 3 tablespoons of custard powder. While classic French toast uses egg as a base, our substitute is custard powder. If you don't have custard powder, you can even use an equal amount of cornstarch. Further, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The French toast batter is ready in no time. To make classic eggless French toast, I am dipping a slice of bread into the batter. Let the batter coat both the sides well. Let's take it out. Next, I am greasing a hot pan with a spoon of butter. Let's quickly transfer the bread slice. Toast the bread slice from both the sides. The bread is toasted. For the topping, I am adding a few banana slices. Let's drizzle some honey. And classic French toast is ready. To make Nutella French toast, I am simply taking a slice of bread and applying a spoon of Nutella. Add another slice of bread over the top and press. Now, I am dipping the slices into the batter. Simply put them to toast as we did previously. The slices are toasted from both the sides. Let's cut it from the center into 2 halves. Top it with some grated chocolate if you would like, and we are done. To make cheese French toast, I am putting a cheese slice between 2 bread slices. Let's coat the bread slices with the batter as we did before. Time to toast them. You can even use mozzarella cheese in between if cheesy pulls are what you enjoy. Let's cut the slices from the center. Top it with some grated cheese. Bite into deliciousness with 3 types of French toast. Enjoy whatever way you like. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.